to my channel Harshit FX, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this animation in Blender. So I'm going to break down my animation, like which tool I used and how do I made this. So basically let me open the project file. So this is my Blender project file. So first thing first, I'm gonna break down each part. So let me close these and go to layout. Okay, so this is our layout. Okay. So this car is downloaded from Sketchfab. You can get it easily on Sketchfab. You can put any car here. And the hoodie is designed in Glow 3D, and the helmet is downloaded from Sketchfab and customized in Photoshop. Like I changed the texture. If you see, let me show you. So this helmet, I changed the texture according to the new helmet of the F1. And I put two characters here as well. So first character, and I mirror it with textures mirrored. So I placed them on each side of the car, and then I placed one screen behind it. Let me show you the notes. So basically what I did here, I took two emission shaders, one emission, two emission, and I use mix shader and material output, and I use light path, camera ray. I connected my camera ray to factor, and then this is the PNG I used as a background. So this first will go in first emission, second emission, and both emissions will connect it to both shaders, and then shader output will be surface. So why I did that, let me explain you. So if you go to the cycles mode, the render mode, you see its reflection is coming on the ground. So basically we can control the reflections, like how much reflection we want on the ground. So let me show you. If I increase the strength of the first emission, you see, and if you see it's increasing the screen emission, but it's not affecting the ground emission. So yeah, so this is the ground emission and this is for screen emission. So we can do like this as well, and we increase it, decrease it. So we have a control over both, like how much light camera lights will be reflected to the ground. So yeah, so this simple scene, then I created a volumetric shader in shading mode, applying it to a cube. So this is the basic settings. I use this, and density 0.020 and entropy 0.707. and then if you hide this, I used one floor and one what we say, this, yeah, kind of wall. And then I used one, and second one is this. Okay, and then for camera I used cam anim. It's a cam anim add-on. I will give you the link of that add-on in description. You can check this out. And then this cam anim add-on is doing the job. And last thing what I did, I use GPU, and this is my render settings. And if you go in color management, I use sRGB, filmic, none, exposure is 0, gamma is 1. So that's all. And also, yeah, and also I use few lights like this light, this area light, and this area light, and this area light. So I link this path light linking, yeah. So I link this light to the hole, this light to the hole, and this light to the hole. And let me, if you select hierarchy, so hole means these three characters and car. So these lights are not affecting the background. So if you see, these lights are only affecting to the scenes, not background. So that's how we link our lights. You see, if I delete this, you see this not looking good. Let's say I'm gonna delete this, you see that's not looking good. So that's why I always use the light linking feature to give a specific object or collection a specific light. Then I hit render. Okay, so these material are simple. These material are like a block kinda. You see, if you zoom, these are kind of blocks. I used Blender Kit add-on to texture this, and if you see upside, this is also Blender Kit textures. This is a very simple rubber texture, and then it will take a little bit to render it because it has volumetric lighting, this cube. So let me hit render. Let's see how much it takes to render in my PC. So always keep this off and double click. So yeah, you see, one more thing, I forgot. So if you go in here, don't forget to click on motion blur, and shutter should be 0.27. So when the camera moves like very fast, it will blur a little bit. And also in camera, I connected this depth of field to dolly rig, and f-stop is 0.9. dolly rig, this is dolly rig, this. So if I move this dolly rig, the camera is also moving. And if I go in pose mode and click this, you see the camera is moving. If I click this, you see the camera is moving. Let me show you in camera mode. You see, that's why we use dolly rig. So hey guys, if you want to purchase this mockup, you can go to hfxstudios.com and click on shop section, and you can directly purchase this mockup. And all other mockups are also available on this website, so yeah, you can check out. And also, if you face any problem in payment, you can directly text me via Instagram or mail me. I will give you all the links in description. So yeah, see you.